Hey guys, Soccer from SAKITECH, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to increase your iCloud storage, which is 5 gigabytes by default, to 50 gigabytes or even more if you so desire. So as you know, with every Apple account you get 5 gigabytes of iCloud for free. And I'm going to show you in this video how to increase that storage based on your needs. So what you want to do is you want to go to your settings, and then on the top you want to tap on your profile, alright? And then from there, what you want to do is you want to go into the iCloud option right over here, tap right on it. And then what you want to do, first and foremost, if you look over here, in my case, it says I do have that 50 gigabytes of storage because I did in fact increase my storage size. So what you want to do is you want to go to manage storage, all right? And what it's going to tell you first is going to show your existing storage plan, which in my case is 50 gigabytes. So all you do is tap on change storage plan, and then you get all the options to switch it to a higher tier or a lower tier. Of course, these things are not free, but this one right here, the 50 gigabyte plan that I purchased for this iPhone, is only $1 a month. So you get 50 gigabytes of storage. Now, if you want to go to 200 gigabytes, maybe you want to back up your video files, which could be really large in size. You can go for 200 gigabytes. That's $3 a month. And of course, you can also go for a larger option. That's 2 terabytes of cloud storage for $10. I do not recommend either one of these, but this is something I would recommend for people that take a lot of photos and shoot a lot of videos. Now, I do want to let you know, let's say you do this, you can always go back and downgrade, okay? So in my case, if I tap on this one, it's gonna ask me to put the password in, which I just popped in. So I'm gonna tap on manage and take a look at what happens. I do have the option to downgrade. As soon as it comes up, I'm gonna show it to you guys. There we go. So I can go right to the bottom right here. And of course, you can cancel any time. Alrighty, so that's it. If you're looking for more iCloud storage than what you already have, which is 5 gigs, it's nothing. This is the way to get it done. Alright, any questions, comments, or concerns? Drop them down below and let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day.